A lot of people, when they're hitting the bag, they focus and try and do everything at once. So guys will go on YouTube and they'll see 10 different things you should do when you hit the bag, 10 different drills. They come to class and they try and do all 10 drills. What happens when you try and throw so many things in your brain is you actually don't end up focusing on anything. It's almost like when you go to an ice cream shop and you see 30 flavors in front of you and you don't know what one to pick. That's kind of what happens when you have too many ideas in your head when you go into training. So focus on one thing at a time. Imagine you want to work on your hands. Well, spend the entire bag round working on your hands. So you want to work on your jab, focus on your jab. You want to work on jab cross, pop, pop, focus on your jab cross. Keep it simple and try and narrow it down to one or two things that you're working on every time you hit the bag, and you will find that your technique gets much better instead of trying to throw everything in at once.